All right, today's video is about a product called Shine Armor. We've already done a video about doing a full ceramic coating. We'll put a link to that video right up here. Shine Armor is a graphene ceramic spray. It's not meant to completely replace doing a ceramic coating. What it is good for is use between ceramic coatings. And it's not as labor intensive as doing a full ceramic coating. So if you don't have all the extra time to do that yourself, or you don't want to spend $1,500 to $2,000 on a full ceramic coating, you can use something like this. Today we're going to see how easy it is to apply this and how well it actually works. Shine Armor says that this stuff has extremely powerful hydrophobic properties, and it enhances your shine with an easy spray-on product. All right, so today for the test, we've got the Polaris all washed up. We're going to wax the passenger side of the vehicle and use the Shine Armor on the driver's side of the vehicle. All right, we did the same prep for both sides of the vehicle. We washed it really well and dried it. All right, now we've completed waxing the passenger side with the Meguiar's liquid wax you see here. On the driver's side, we followed the instructions on the bottle of the Shine Armor and just sprayed it on a towel and wiped it on. Starting off this test, let me tell you, the spray-on product is way easier. You just spray on a rag, wipe it on, wait a couple minutes, and then wipe it back off. Now I'm just going to use a spray bottle with some water in it to check the hydrophobic properties of each product. The side that we use the Meguiar's wax is holding up as expected. As you can see here, the hydrophobic properties are pretty good. As you can see, the water beads up really well and runs right off. Same thing happens with the headlight and the front of the vehicle. Both are waxed. Now let's see how well the Shine Armor works. It seems like it works just as well, maybe even a little better. Even if it works the same and it's much easier to put on, that's a win for me. The water is beating up really good. So far, I'm really impressed, but we really haven't put this stuff to the test yet. So far, I'm looking at Shine Armor to use between washes and before off-roading. With hydrophobic properties this good, it would be really easy to wash your vehicle after going mudding or off-roading. All right, let's try to simulate some wear and tear on both of these products. We're going to spray some isopropyl alcohol on both sides to simulate some time and wear on these. This stuff is pretty harsh on products and removes just about anything. We'll give each side a couple squirts and then rub it in. All right, here we go. Let's try it out. As you can see, the side with Meguiar's wax is a little worn. It's not as hydrophobic as it was before. If it removed that much on the wax side, I'm a little worried about the Shine Armor side. As you can see, the water almost sticks to the windshield. That means dirt and mud will stick as well. Surprisingly, the Shine Armor is still on there and it still has its hydrophobic properties. I really thought that this spray-on ceramic coating would come off before a nice wax that we buffed in. So when are you going to use this? Let me tell you, the first thing that came to mind when I started using this is cleaning my vehicles after off-roading. I'm going to use it right before off-roading to see if it makes cleanup any easier. Seeing how good the hydrophobic properties work, I feel if you use it before you go off-roading, all the mud and everything's going to be a lot easier to get off. So it's another time you would use it. I'm going to use it in between ceramic coatings on my other vehicles. This stuff is so easy to apply, you can use it after every wash. I don't think this replaces doing a full-on ceramic coating on your vehicle, but it's definitely good to use in between ceramic coatings. Next, this is a really good option, even if you don't have time to do a full-on ceramic coating on your vehicle, then wash your vehicle, put this on, and it's just gonna add one more layer to the protection on your paint and clear coat.